Hey guys, Adrienne here. I just wanted to come to you guys to remind you of a few what I call must-do December reminders. But before I get into that, I just want to introduce myself. I'm Adrienne Rowland. I currently reside in Atlanta, Georgia. I've been in the tax preparation industry for a little bit now. I prepare individual and small business taxes, as well as several other services, especially for both individuals and small businesses, such as prior year tax returns, pretty much clean up tax returns or back taxes. And for small business, I do a service where I provide W-2 and 1099 preparation, as well as submitting those to the IRS. But I do other things. One of the most exciting things that I'm getting ready to offer to you guys, which will be, I'll be prepared to do this right after the tax season, which is credit repair, something that I think a lot of us need, including myself. But it definitely has been so much, a lot beneficial for myself with credit repair, so I'm so glad to offer that to you guys. But I will have a few videos coming up in regards to the credit repair. But enough about me. But what I'm coming to you today are just 3 quick reminders. The first one is to update your address. Excuse me. Update your address with any employer, any person or entity that you know will be sending you tax documentations. Let's see, this happens every year. I mean, I've done it several times. If you move for whatever reason, just get it updated. Also, ask the employers or the people that you know they're going to send those tax documents to see if you could actually print those tax documents online. That's a lot easier. And now's the time to go ahead and get your credentials and anything else you need to log in to do that online. The second thing is, my office is the same as any other tax preparation company out there. You must bring in proper identification. So if you do not have that, now's the time. If you do not have a copy of your Social Security number and or your Social Security card, excuse me, for your dependents, you can go down to your local Social Security Administration office and get those documentations. And a lot of times, if you can't get it ordered, for whatever reason you can't get your Social Security card ordered, they will print you out like a form that'll have your number, your name, and your address, and those documentations are sufficient for me, as well as any other government issued documents that has your Social Security number on it, passports, your military ID, all of that stuff is sufficient. And the same thing applies for your driver's license. If it's expired or whatever's going on with it, just take care of those things before you get to me for the tax season. And last but not least, if you are claiming any expenses deductions, whether they're education expenses, business expenses, you're itemizing, even if you're not sure, I will be sending a Get Started Early email. That email will include a form called Possible Tax Deduction Worksheet. That worksheet is what I want you guys to go ahead and work on now. Any expenses that you're going to claim, that's where I want you to fill it out and shoot that back to me in email. So that pretty much wraps it up. Just to briefly go over it again: update your address, bring in proper identification, and third, just make sure you're filling out that tax deduction worksheet as soon as I send that email to you. Alright guys, so have a safe holiday. I will see you at the second Christmas that's coming up. That's tax season. So I'll see you guys then, and be safe, have fun, and have some more fun. We only live once. Bye.